My name is Anton, I'm an interior designer and I'm Swedish.
Hi, my name is Ho준. I work at the marketing team in IKEA, and I'm also Swedish. Yes, I don't
진짜?
look. 진짜. But no, I'm not. Maybe
okay.
original Swedish, but
Yeah.
I've lived there for a long time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So what is this about?
So this is a movie called Midsomar.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah, and then it's a horror movie.
horror movie, but Midsummer is not a horror movie.
No, Midsomar is about celebrations.
How can you make a horror movie about Midsummer? That's crazy.
So you haven't seen the movie?
I haven't seen the movie, so I don't know.
I've seen the movie. It's
All right, so should we watch it?
yeah, we could watch some clips.
We're gonna watch some clips. Oh, look at that Swedish nature.
A sacred temple. Do we have temples in Sweden?
No. Wow. Well, they are wearing white. In midsummer, a lot of people wear white. That's actually true.
But we are also wearing blue and yellow today.
Yeah, today we are very fashionable.
Yes.
Oh, ättestupa. Oh. Oh no. What?
Okay, so this guy just jumped off a cliff.
And again, what? How many times? Oh.
I think two different people.
Oh.
But he didn't die.
Oh, he made it. Oh no. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh. Yeah.
In slow motion. Oh.
Again. Well, we do party, but not like this.
Not like this.
Oh, maybe
They're
they're making
baking.
kanelbullar. It's a cute house. I would live in that house.
The tents.
Yeah.
What are they eating?
Oh, this must be a fika. What are they doing? They're just sitting there looking
Yeah.
straight
There's
up.
no singing or.
No. Normally we
partying.
sing and we dance. I mean,
Yeah.
midsummer is more of a party. It's not such a downer. You wouldn't be this depressed.
Kind of dark.
In midsummer, it's light.
It's
There's
usually
no
light.
darkness like
No
this.
darkness.
Terrible. Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Some drinking. Yes.
Okay. Finally, alcohol.
Finally, alcohol. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we dance.
Yes,
Like
dancing on a
this.
circle.
Yes. And they have the flower wreaths. Oh. We don't do that.
no.
None of that. No.
So they were dancing until.
Until one.
my drottning.
Ah,
So they're
okay.
dancing until everybody falls down, and
Okay.
the last woman that is still dancing is winning and becomes my drottning.
Oh,
I don't know
okay.
why it's my drottning.
Mai is the month of May.
Drottning is queen.
Yeah. It's called Mai Stång as well. I don't know. Maybe something happened in Mai.
Yeah, midsummer is June.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. What do you think of those flowers?
Well, I was going to say that the flowers are way too fancy. In Sweden, when we make these flower wreaths, you have to go into the fields and you pick wild flowers.
Yeah.
So we don't have those kind of fancy flowers. Nothing pink, orange. Sorry, no.
So much.
No. And we don't do this.
Okay, this is a.
This is
Sex
a nude,
scene.
nude,
Nude scene.
sexy scene. We don't do that. Oh, another
Okay.
nude man. It's a lot of nudity.
Yes. Oh, he's ashamed.
Oh no. Oh, he's hanging with flowers in his eyes? Oh no. Oh no, more
Oh,
drugs.
More drugs.
Or sawdust. What is happening? And now he's in a wheelchair. Oh no, what's that? What? They put him inside a bear.
They put him inside a bear. Now they're putting more fires, but not in a barbecue.
Who's left after this party? Is that now they're gonna burn all these people? Oh, they're burning up the whole building.
No, they're burning. I think 6 or 7 people.
Oh no, too many flowers. Her flower wreath is too heavy for her.
It's a whole
She should
dress
have
with
less.
flowers.
The whole dress of flowers. Oh my God. Well, no wonder people they have misconceptions about midsummer.
Yeah.
I mean, this is like totally wrong.
Yeah.
Yes, in there. It was not the way we would celebrate midsummer.
No. And how do we celebrate midsummer in Sweden?
Maybe we should show you. Do you want to find out how we celebrate midsummer?
We can show you.
Okay, let's
Come
go!
along. Let's go.
Woo!
This way? That way? No?
Wow!
Okay, now we landed in Seongsu.
Here we are, and we're going to show you all about Midsummer.
Yeah, and how to celebrate. Okay.
Here we go.
Det här är midsommarstånget.
Midsummer pole. And this one normally is much, much bigger. I don't know, what would you say? 4 meters?
5 meters.
4 or 5 meters.
Yeah.
And the whole village would decorate, and then they would carry it to this place, and then they would
Yeah, I
push it up.
remember raising them up like this.
Yeah, exactly.
And they
You need
take
lots
a little
of poles.
pole.
Yeah, yeah.
To yeah.
And then we have this pole, and then we dance.
Yes.
We do some dances around it.
Those classic one, the
the
frogs.
little frogs,
Små
yes.
grodorna.
Små grodorna är lustiga att se. Små grodorna är lustiga att se. Ej öron, nej svansar hava det. Ej öron, nej svansar hava det.
So we just saw the midsommarstång.
Yes.
A lot of flowers on it. What other things can you do with flowers on midsummer?
Well, in Midsummer we do a lot of different things with flowers. For example, we make these wreaths, so you can put them on your head as a kind of decoration. You can also pick 7 different kinds of flowers, and you can put them under your pillow when you go to sleep, and then during the night you will dream about your future husband or wife.
Yeah, I'm holding what you just saw, a midsommarstång in a miniature version.
So cute.
Yeah. Maybe it's difficult to dance around this one though.
Well, you have to be really small.
Yeah.
So we showed you all about Midsummer, how we can celebrate Midsummer, but there's more you can do, right? You can go to your IKEA store and do something else.
We are also, a lot of different products have offers right now in celebration of Midsummer. So you can visit the store that's close to you or go to Ikea.com to see what kind of offers we have. Vi önskar er en jättetrevlig sommar. Ha det så gott. Glad midsommar!
Glad midsommar, hej då!
Hej då!